Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So right now I'm actually about to head out. I need to get to the airport, and before I do that I need to get some headphones. So I need to find a place nearby on the way to the airport where I can get headphones, because my headphones just broke recently and I'm not about to sit on a flight without headphones, without being able to listen to music or watch a YouTube video on the flight, because I really hate that. So yeah, I desperately need to find these headphones quickly before I head out, and then I need to fly out and head to Joburg. So yeah, it's just gonna be a bit of some craziness right now, but anyways, I do hope that you enjoy this video, and please do like, please do comment, please do subscribe to the channel, because we love you so much around here. Guys, this is me right now. Angazi ukuthi ngithembeni empilweni yami, but this is me. I'm hoping that I get to a garage, because wow, yeah, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to explain this. I don't even know how to explain it, but okay, with the grace of God, sizofika garage sizofaka. Hey my dolls, I've arrived here at a nearby center. I'm looking for a Clicks, to be specific, because I'm looking for those volcano headphones. I do hope that I find them, because other than Clicks, the only other place that I've seen them is on Takealot, and I kind of need them now. So I kind of need them to be in stock here at Clicks, but I'm hoping for the best. I know those are like really good quality headphones. I've had them for such a long time. They've treated me so well, you know, literally the quality is really good. And yeah, I hope I find a good color, and I hope I just find them all together. Even if I don't find the color that I'm looking for, I might have to settle. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I think at least let's just go in and see if Akona you need to begin with. So yeah, let's go. Get this feeling, make me yours. Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to see you wrong. I admit it's exciting, parts of me kinda like it, but before I leave you home, tell me what's your motive? guys, I was able to find the headphones, thank God. The color that I wanted as well, so I'm very happy about that. I just hope that they are charged. Let me open them quickly. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is what they look like. So pretty. My only hope, okay, is that they are charged so that I can be able to use them now. Otherwise, it defeats the whole purpose of this. I did also get myself the apricot edition Red Bull, the apricot and strawberry flavor. Oh my God, this is so good, guys. Like, I have been enjoying this flavor so much. You guys already know my favorite flavor is that coconut berry flavor, but let me tell you, this flavor is giving the other one a very big run for its money. So right now I'm kind of stuck between these two flavors. This is by far like one of the best things I've ever tasted. If you haven't tasted it yet, do give it a try and let me know what you think. So okay, yeah, let's quickly head to the airport now. At least I'm done. I found what I was looking for at Clicks. I'm very happy and we're good to go. Thing that I would like us to discuss before I leave. I feel like I am too warm for today's weather because obviously, like, I'm wearing sweats, so I'm wearing like a hoodie and sweatpants, you know. But but one thing I know is that when I get on the flight, I will thank myself because that aircon doesn't play. And that's the reason why I always insist on bringing something warm on the flight with me, because as hot as it may be outside, but when you're sitting in that flight and that aircon is hitting you straight, I know you can obviously adjust the one above you, but I'm talking about just the general aircon, you know, that's ventilating the flights. I'm thanks. And now you're stuck on a flight, you can't do anything. Lose your figure. Nah, that's not gonna be me. So it's fine. I may be feeling a bit warm right now. The thing is, I don't want to take off this hoodie because I feel like it's gonna mess up my hair, and I'm not about to start with all that admin. So and then when I get onto the flights, I'm gonna be thanking myself.
Detailed TV license statement. You can make website queries for an account and technical support, which has made things immensely easier. It is now a smooth, effortless process that can respond to all user inquiries quickly and
Let me tell you guys a very quick funny story. So njengoba airport, I've arrived here at the airport, but I'm parked outside. I haven't entered the premises yet. So njengoba ngaphandle, I'm actually waiting for somebody who is gonna be arriving just before I have to board my flight, because I need to leave him with the keys for this car so he can take the car back to Endlin, so that I could drive myself here to the airport, and then he's going to take the car back for me. But now the problem is his flight arrives literally 10 minutes before my flight is going to start boarding. But now the problem is I have baggage that I need to check in. So baggage closes before the flight starts boarding. So I can't miss that delicate period before boarding that allows for me to check in my bag. Like, I don't even know what to say, guys. Like, I don't even know what to say, because we're gonna have to make this work somehow, because once wangen we parking yala airport, you have to pay. Like, nah. Do you know what I'm saying? Whereas literally Sizo Pambana, there's no need for me to park the car, because as I get out of the car to get into the airport, he will be getting out. He will be arriving and driving out. Do you know what I'm saying? So to avoid drama yokuyopaga and figuring out what we're going to do about that, literally we just need to do a very quick exchange. As to how this is going to work, angazi, yeah, but crossing fingers, I'm hoping that this transition will be seamless. But yeah, so now I'm just sitting here waiting for isikhathi flight jacket to arrive so that I can go up to the drop off, because obviously the drop off is by where I need to check my bag in. So yeah, ubhuti kufanele angifice lapha phezulu kwi drop off, but also he needs to get there in time for me to be able to check in my suitcase. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So it's a bit of a mess, but yeah, we'll have to figure it out somehow. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that.
Tell me where I get this feeling. Don't you really wanna turn me on? Tell me where I get this feeling. Don't you really wanna make me yours? Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gonna be the one to see you wrong. I admit it's exciting, parts of me kinda like it. But before I leave you on, tell me what's your
basically right now is halftime of the Man City and Real Madrid game for the Champions League. So now while it's halftime, I'm just quickly making some popcorn so that I can just relax, have some popcorn, enjoy the game. Yeah, so enjoy relaxed evening vibes. Got home safe from the airport, had a very, very good flight. And yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy for the remainder of the evening. So you can hear my popcorn popping in the background. So yeah, just game time now. Unwinding, some champagne, some popcorn, and then we'll call it a night.